First time eating peas.
Is that good?
I think that's a no.
She keeps opening her mouth though. Never mind.
I think it's because she wants to spit it out. She doesn't like it. She's like, I'm going to throw up. Don't give her too much.
Oh.
She's like, I do not like this. She's like, I want to suck my thumb. I don't want any part of this.